Hey, let me show you all health features that you can find on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. And first of all, let's start from the watch. After this, I'm going to show you some hidden health functions. So of course, right here, we can check energy score of our body. And then when you go into the left side, you can also find other health features like the blood pressure, the ECG. We can track our sleep. We can check the heart rate. And when you go here and add some other tiles, let me just keep scrolling. There we go. As you can see right here, you can even check the blood oxygen level, the AGES index, the body composition, cycle tracking. We can for sure count steps, check the stress level, add some food calories, but also we have here other options. So now I will go for the health app, and in this watch we can also measure, not right here, wait a minute. Okay, now as you can see, we can measure the snore detection. We can check the skin temperature during the sleep. Also, when you go for the heart rate, which will be available here, we can also check, we can also set the high and the low heart rate alerts, of course, only during the rest. And right here, we can get the all day heart rate measurement. And the same for the stress. We can get all day stress measurement. And now when you go for the blood oxygen level, there's also option to measure the blood oxygen level on all day, but you will have to actually get it on the watch. Set it up on the watch. And here you can find some active time, activity calories. So we can find, for example, the total burned calories, the distance while active, some motions, exercise time raised, HR activity time, total calories, and of course you can find here a lot of different workouts. And I believe that this is actually all health features that you can find on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. That's all for this video right now. Please subscribe.